Let me share with you a few Transunion credit union credit cards for fair credit. So if you are looking for a credit union that pulls Transunion and approves fair credit cards, here is an overview I want you to have right now. So the first card I want you to think about is Navy Fed Platinum. So Navy Fed Platinum is really great. It's a Transunion credit card for fair credit. So if you are anywhere like above 579, 580, you will qualify for this card, not a problem. In some cases, Navy Fed can even approve you if you have a lower credit score, let's say 550. As long as you have a great relationship with them, not a problem at all. But this card is great for a couple of things. Number one, you can save on balance transfer with a low intro APR because the card allows you to actually get a low APR. But what I want you to do is, no matter what, whether you have bad credit, fair credit, or good credit, you want to see if you can pre-qualify for this card. So basically, Navy Fed allows you to pre-qualify for a credit card through three ways. There are three ways. You can pre-qualify through the app, through the mobile app. You can pre-qualify through like your desktop. So when you log in your desktop account, you see if you can pre-qualify, or just call them. You could call them and ask if you pre-qualify. So it's great to pre-qualify for this credit card before you do anything. Okay, and this will not affect your credit score because you want to preserve whatever credit score you have. But the card is great. The card has an APR that goes from 11% to 18%. This is really great, and the card has a constellation of benefits. For instance, you have no annual fees, you have no balance transfer fees, you have no foreign transaction fees, you have no cash advance fees. So you have a card that has barely any fees at all. Now the card doesn't have any sort of perks or rewards. The good thing about this card is just that you have a low APR. You can use this low APR on a lot of things, but it is still great anyway. Now this is not the best Navy Fed credit card right now, but it's a great sort of transitional card. That's how we think about it. It's a great transitional card for you to get like a better credit card from Navy Fed. For example, the Go Rewards credit card. That's really great. But yeah, it is what it is. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. We're going to have a quick conversation about Transunion Credit Union credit cards for fair credit. Another card I want to share with you is Conexus Everyday Rewards Plus card. And this is a great card if you're looking for a Transunion Credit Union credit card for fair credit. And when you think about this card, I want you to think about rewards. It's all about rewards. And Conexus, of course, will pull Transunion to get you this card, and you have the ability to pre-qualify for the card. And the card allows you to earn up to 4x unlimited points, and you can receive a $150 bonus. Okay. And the cool thing about this card is that you have an intro APR for purchases and balance transfers. So we're talking about 0% introductory APR for the first 6 billing cycles. After that, the APR will go from 20% all the way to 30% based on your credit worthiness. So this is kind of cool. And so again, we're talking about 4x unlimited points on dining, takeout, and food delivery. We're talking about 2x unlimited points at grocery stores, grocery delivery, gas stations, and streaming services. And you have 1x unlimited points on all other eligible purchases. This card is actually great for families, or let's say folks who are living like in relationships. When you have children, that's really great because this is where you actually maximize the rewards on the card. And actually, Conexus is rewarding you if you are able to earn 15,000 points when you spend $500 within the first 90 days of account opening. So this is really great. So this card overall, when you think about it, is a card that's great. That is really great because it allows you to redeem points for travel, cashback, and more. So you have flexibility here. What we love about this card overall is that it's just the flexibility. I want to go back to what I said earlier. This card is great for families, or if you are by yourself. Make sure that you love traveling, or you love like using the card as an everyday card, because remember, you can earn points at grocery stores, grocery delivery, gas stations, and everything else. And so in terms of, you can redeem the card, like whatever you have, you can redeem your points for cashback. So 2,500 points for $25 cashback. Merchandise, music, movies, books, electronics, brand name gift cards, over 250 brands of retailers and restaurants. So this is really good. You can redeem also for travel, so air travel, hotel stays, rental cars, and more. So overall, this is just a great, wonderful card. We love that a lot. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. I'm having a conversation with you about Transunion Credit Union credit cards for fair credit. Another card I want to talk to you about is called Consumers Credit Union Platinum, CCU Platinum. And this card is really fantastic because the CCU Platinum Visa card actually is great at various levels. First of all, you can be approved for a credit limit all the way to $25,000. And the card actually gives you like a 0% APR on new purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. So you're having like one of the lowest rates and generous credit limits with no annual fee. So this is really great. And so you have actually you also have what we love about the CCU Platinum Visa card is that they tend to approve you for large limits real fast. And even if you've been with the CCU for less than 6 months, you can still be approved for a credit card with them when you apply. And so this CCU Visa credit card actually carries all kinds of benefits. For example, you have travel and emergency assistance services, including medical and legal referrals, emergency ticket replacement, and more. You have a lot of services that are available 24/7, not a problem at all. And you actually can reach out to CCU just to have more information. And their number is 1-877-275-2228, 1-877-275-2228, or after hours you can call 1-866-820-3842. And this is kind of cool. So overall, when you think about this CCU Visa card, think about a card that is great for general purchases and balance transfers, because the card gives you a 0% APR on new purchases and balance transfers for 12 months. That's it. 12 months. That's it. And but by the way, though, one thing I need to say that there is a 3% balance transfer fee to account for. So this is important. So, but this is not a card for everyday savings or everyday, I would say, no, everyday savings, of course, but this is not a card for everyday rewards. No, this is a card that allows you to just save, just to have a 12-month interest-free, purchasing streak. That's it. Another card I want to share with you when it comes to Transunion Credit Union credit cards for fair credit, we're talking about BCU Cashback. So BCU stands for Boeing Employees Credit Union. So the BCU Cashback credit card is a Visa card. It's a fantastic card. And this is a card, it's a cashback, as the name implies. It's a cashback credit card. So you have 1.5% unlimited cashback. And the card actually charges you no annual fee. So we'll love that a lot. Okay. $0 annual fee. Unlimited 1.5% cashback, and you are able to earn a $300 cashback bonus after you spend $3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. And so there are no balance transfer fees, no cash advance fees, no foreign transaction fees, and other travel abroad perks. So the card is just fantastic. So basically what I'm trying to say is you earn cashback domestically, but you also earn cash back overseas. This is really great. And so when you think about this card, you're thinking about flexibility. Okay, this is really great flexibility because you're not really doing you're not actually spending much, because think about it. As a new card holder, you have 0% for 12 months introductory APR on purchases within the first year and balance transfers completed within the first 90 days of account opening. So if right now, if you have, let's say if you have 20 grand or 25 grand consolidated credit card debt on through other providers, just transfer this. Once you're approved, just transfer that debt, transfer that balance onto this BCU low rate credit card, and you have to pay it off within a year. Okay, of course you have to be able to pay it off though. So, but once you're able to avail yourself of that free 0% intro APR period, you will BCU will charge you their normal APR, which starts at 12.99% and will go all the way to 22.99%. It is still lower though. I mean, when you compare BCU to, let's say, a Capital One charges you like 30%. So this is still decent. Okay. And, but if you are interested you can apply for this card online. You can apply also over through their mobile, through the BCU mobile app, or you can apply over the phone. So the number is 1-800-233-2328, 1-800-233-2328. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about TransUnion Credit Union credit cards for fair credit. The next card I want to talk to you about is called the Alliant Visa Platinum. So when we think about the Alliant Visa Platinum, we're thinking about a card that actually is pretty generous. And Alliant actually has been known for being generous in terms of credit, in terms of credit limits. They will approve you all the way to $50,000, which is really great. And with this card, you can do a lot of stuff with this card. Number one, you have a 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. So right off the bat, this is a great card for interest savings. So you can use the card for debt consolidation, balance transfers, or you can just buy you can charge a large investment, a large purchase on the card and just sort of split out the payments over 12 months. So this is kind of cool. So this gives you budgetary flexibility. And and after that, so once the 12 months are up, the APR actually reversed to 15.24% to 27.24%. So again, this is really worth it. The only thing we don't like about this offer is that Alliant is charging you a balance transfer fee of 2% of the amount transferred and $5 minimum. So basically you are giving a little bit of the savings back to Alliant anyway. So, but hey, listen, it is still worth it. Honestly, when you think about it, it is still worth it. And so you have a no annual fee on the card. So the card has no annual fee. You have generous credit lines, low standard APR. It's really fantastic. And this card actually works with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay, which means what? If you love actually doing electronic sales, electronic sales. If you love electronic purchases, or you love to use your card at events where you don't have you love to have a cardless life, then this card will work fantastically for you because it has it can work with Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Samsung Pay. So overall, the card is great. You can be approved for $50,000, and it is a great TransUnion Credit Union credit card. And especially, they will approve you even if you have fair credit. And so Alliant tends to be one of the least strict. I would say the most flexible credit unions on today's list in terms of membership. They want you to be a member before applying for this credit card, of course, but only 3 months. And another card I want to share with you is Teachers Visa Cashback. And so when you think about Teachers Visa Cashback, I want you to think about a card that has a similar process than the Alliant Visa Platinum. Or the thing is, you are able to enjoy a 0% intro APR on balance transfers. Remember though that you don't have the introductory APR on purchases. It's only on balance transfers. So, but you can enjoy cashback on all purchases. In other words, you're Teachers is rewarding you with cashback on everyday purchases with this card. So whether you are shopping online, dining out, or filling up your gas tank, you are able to actually getting some of your cash right back into your pocket. You will earn 1.5% cashback on all purchases that can be redeemed for ACH into your Teachers account, statement credit, or a gift card. This is really great. And what we love about this card is that Teachers actually is pretty flexible in terms of their underwriting requirements, but they also actually have made things very simple, very simply for cardholders. So you can view your reward balance and redeem your cashback by logging into your Teachers online or mobile banking. And so cashback benefits include statement credit, direct deposit into your teacher's account, and merchandise gift cards. And what we love about teachers overall is that their APR, like the credit union's credit card carry an APR that's decent. I mean, the APR is around 15.85%. Think about it, 15.85%. This is really good. And so you have 0% intro APR on balance transfers, of course, not on purchases. And so overall, this is the kind of card you want to use for specific purposes, especially for large investments, for large purchases. And this is really fantastic. And we love the fact that there is no expiration of rewards. And you also have there's no annual fee also. So overall, this card is great. It's called the Teachers Visa Cashback. Think of it as primarily as a cashback credit card that you can use either alone if you live alone, or if you have a family. And so try to charge as much as you can on the card after you get it, so that you can actually avail yourself of the benefits that are active during the promotional periods, like the 12 months, for example. The last card I want to share with you that is a Transunion Credit Union credit card for fair credit is Lake Michigan Max Rewards Visa. And so when you think about this Lake Michigan, think about a cashback credit card. Okay, it doesn't say it. It says Max Rewards Visa, but it's more like a cashback credit card. So you have 3% cashback on gas purchases up to $500 per month, or 3 rewards points per dollar spent on gas purchases. You have 2% cashback on all grocery purchases, unlimited, or 2 rewards points per dollar spent on all grocery purchases. You have 2% cashback on restaurants, so Max Rewards Visa Signature only, unlimited, or 2 rewards points per dollar spent on restaurant purchases. And then you have 1% cashback on all other purchases, unlimited, or 1 reward point per dollar spent on all purchases. So the thing here is that when you think about this, the Max Rewards credit card, you want to think about a credit card that comes back to you as cashback or points that can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or more. And so not only will you get great rewards, but also a low interest rates. In addition to that, you pay no annual fee or balance transfer fees. This is kind of good. Now, the only thing we don't like about this card is that the limit is not really that high. So basically, you can only get $5,000. That's the maximum. So it is a card that you could use for a lot of things, but because right now Lake Michigan is really capping the limits, this could be a bummer for you, especially if you are expecting a higher limits. Okay. But overall, the card is great. You have a free car rental insurance. You can redeem points for cash, travel, or merchandise. And the APR is really low. You're looking at 8% all the way to 18%. We've seen cases where people got approved for like 13% on fair credit. This is really good. So, having an 18%, like 8 to 9, even 10% on fair credit, this is really good. So if you have any question about the Lake Michigan Max Rewards Visa, you want to call right now, 844-301-8899. Again, the number here is 844-301-8899. And you'll talk to someone and they'll probably let you know how much you could qualify for. But remember, the maximum is $5,000. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I'll just share with you Transunion Credit Union credit cards for fair credit. So we have Navy Federal Platinum. We have Conexus Everyday Rewards Plus card. We have Conexus Consumer. We have a Consumers Credit Union Platinum. So this is CCU Platinum. We have the BCU Cashback. We have Aligned Visa Platinum. We have Teachers Visa Cashback. And number 7, we have Lake Michigan Max Rewards Visa. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.